In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly make a lot of status labels in just 5 minutes. We'll be using Monday.com to create and organize these labels effectively, ensuring you can streamline your workflow and keep projects on track. First, let's get started by navigating to Monday.com. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to do so now. Simply head to the upper right corner and click on Log In. If you use Google services, you can sign in with Google for a faster login experience. If not, simply type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account and proceed. Once you're logged in, it's time to head over to the board where you want to work with these labels. Take a moment to locate the board. If you're managing several, you might find it helpful to use the search function to quickly pull it up. Now that you're in the right place, we're going to create multiple status labels. Start by creating a drop-down column. This step helps facilitate the easy addition of multiple options before converting them to a status column. Look for the plus sign button, usually located beside the last column on your board. Click on it and select drop down column from the options available. Next, click on the newly created drop down cell and type in all the labels you want. You can either list them one after the other, or if you have a pre-prepared list, simply copy and paste them directly here. This method is a great time saver, especially when dealing with numerous labels. After typing each label, press enter or select create as a new label to ensure each becomes a separate entry in your drop-down list. With your labels now nestled under a drop-down column, it's time to transform them into a status column. Find the column name and click on the 3 dotted line beside it. This will reveal additional options. Select change column type from the menu, then choose status. This action converts your drop-down list into a handy status column with every label intact. And there you have it, you now have a fresh status column infused with all the labels you just entered, ready to help you track and manage your tasks more efficiently. This simple process not only saves you time, but also makes sure your project boards remain clutter-free with all necessary info just a click away. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your Monday.com experience, allowing you to work smarter and more organized. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workflows.